Turck offers a diverse range of modules, connectors, cables, splitters, and more to solve the toughest connection and distribution challenges. This includes a series of field-wireable connectors and sensor plugs that are tailor-made for on-the-fly installation. Turck's field-wireable connectors are available in several classes, with plugs and receptacles accommodating different cable diameters. M8 PicoFast connectors are available in 3 to 4 pin configurations, accepting 3 to 5 mm cables with either solder or screw-in terminals. Insulation displacement options eliminate the need to strip cables before installation. M12 EuroFast connectors are available in 4 to 5 pin configurations, accepting 4 to 6 mm cables with solder, screw, or spring clamp terminals. Insulation displacement options also contribute to this series. MiniFast connectors in 7/8 of an inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/8 of an inch sizes offer a variety of pin configurations, from 2 to 6 pin, 6 to 8 pin, and 9, 10, 12, and 19 pin construction. Pin configurations are determined by your connector size. The largest connects accept cable diameters up to 18 mm. All Turck field-wireable connectors in the PicoFast, EuroFast, and MiniFast series carry an IP67 rating. Amps and volt ratings increase with size. MiniFast connectors are rated for 10 amps and 600 volts for limited power and control applications. To learn more about Turck's field-wireable connectors or explore other Turck connector options, visit galco.com today.